I find events like this with the Showpony team so helpful because it really helps me take some new skills back to my educators in the UK. Today I'm particularly looking forward to the mini microbead application, as well as cutting, styling and finishing the extensions for the most perfect before and after transformation pictures.
Doing the train the trainer sessions are super important as it helps us to all come together and see what we're all doing in our different markets. It's also important as it enables us to maintain that consistency across our teaching platforms. So in the last 2 days we covered our tape methods and also our mini microbead methods, and it's just been really good meeting and interacting with all the other educators.
Ciao, sono Fulvio Furcas di Milano, sono qui oggi per questa giornata di training qui a Zagabria per poter esprimere proprio una creatività e un allungamento delle nostre modelle. Abbiamo qui con noi la modella Anika che ci dà la possibilità di creare un allungamento e un volume con i suoi capelli utilizzando 2 miscele di colori che ci permette di poter creare appunto questo gioco di colori. Il gruppo è molto bello, molto fantastico perché abbiamo la possibilità di condividere anche queste esperienze, le esperienze di tutti quanti noi che ci permettono di poter arricchire il nostro lavoro.
So I'm wearing the tape extensions. The best thing is that I can feel them at all. It really feels natural, like my hairs. They're making me feel very inspired. I actually feel like a brand new person because I'm super excited with all the hairstyles I get to do now. So yeah, they make me feel really, really good. Well, normally I really like to switch up my hairstyles, so I do wear my hair down, but I also like to wear high ponytails and buns. And with these extensions I can actually do it, so I'm looking forward to different hairstyles I can do with them.
I really love wearing Showpony hair extensions. This is my 3rd time. They are reusable, so that's a very good investigation, and also the quality is amazing. So they really make me feel beautiful. Micro rings are really comfortable to wear. You don't even feel them in your head, but you just see them. So that's why wavy hairstyle is my favorite. You can wear it on a meeting, but also you can wear it for a chill night out with your friends.